Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you can actually access Instagram credentials and that two-factor auth isn't blocking you. Once done, switch networks. Try mobile data versus Wi-Fi and disable VPN because routing can cause a page not available error. Make sure the app is up to date. If not, update or reinstall to clear corrupted caches. Also try another device or browser to see whether the problem is account-side or device-specific, which determines the next steps. Next, perform deeper checks. Clear the Instagram app cache or remove cookies from the browser and force stop, then reopen the app, because stale data often causes loading failures. Then confirm whether the account or page was disabled or deleted. Look for different error messages and try accessing via another authenticated account. Also verify the exact profile URL and username. A misspelling or renamed account will return page not available. These diagnoses narrow whether you need account recovery or platform fixes. To resolve, submit a formal report through Instagram's Help Report a Problem, or use the account recovery flow if you suspect a disabled account. Include screenshots and exact timestamps. Once you've filed, wait 24 to 72 hours for backend propagation and email responses, because some fixes need time. If nothing changes, escalate by documenting error messages, browser console logs, and attempts. Then contact support or use social channels. Key tip: if it still fails, retry on a different network and keep records to prove the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.